Peninsula Handyman here on a very hot and smoky July day. What we get to do today is a repair on this gable end. A couple problems. One problem is they use this old fiberboard sheathing. Some people call it Celotex. That was a manufacturer back then. It's nothing more than pressed cardboard. Not even going to call it wood fibers. But the siding was wavy and we can't leave it. So I found out that it was this fiberboard stuff. And I mean, it's literally just, it's not even cardboard. It's like powdered cardboard they pressed together. So we tore all that off. We tore off all the old siding, which is down there on the ground now. We tore off most of the sheathing. Just got one little piece left. While we're in here, you can see I'm putting new studs along this gable truss. The problem is, the worst problem, some weren't bad, like a ½ inch, but this one, you can see down there, that's like an inch. That's like an inch, and it's touching in the middle there, so it's got a bad bow in. So we got to put these strong backs in. Then when I'm done with that, I'm going to put another strong back all the way across it this way, long ways, just to stiffen it up. And then we have new OSB sheathing you can see down there on my bench, my sawhorses. We'll cut that up. And then I have new white siding right there. So it's going to, the old siding is like a silver color. We're going to transition it to white just because I don't think I can get a match. I think it's going to look like a purposeful detail when we put the white up here. And I need some of that old siding to make a few repairs around the house anyway. So we're going to call it a purposeful detail. I don't think it will be offensive, but I'll post a couple pictures when I get it all buttoned up with siding. This is what you got to do when you work on old houses. Stay tuned for more.